Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, behold everything required for the process to be done. Yeah, you may be wondering how everything on this table can be used to design a working welding machine, right? Oh yes, watch this video to the end and you are going to see the amazing power of construction at work. Of course, the power of God through construction. This is Jolibent Schools. Boom. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing to do is to get a condemned microwave machine. What actually condemns a microwave is when the filament gets burnt or the transformer itself gets burnt. Once those two basic things are gone, the microwave is gone. So just get a one that only the filament is condemned so that you don't work with a bad transformer. So this is one of the transformers in the microwave, and you see the capacity of the transformer somewhere here. Hope you can see that. That's 230 volts and 50 Hz. 230 volts, 50 Hz, or 220 volt, 50 Hz. That's the capacity, and that can do the job very well. So first, we are going to lose this here, and then lose from other microwave. This the second, that's the third, and then the fourth here. So once we are done losing them all, we are good to go. But we are not going to use up to 4 transformers, okay? We are using 2 transformers to get this job done. However, using 4 is possible. All right, let's get started. First, this is a transformer, okay? So we got this transformer from a microwave machine. So we lose 2 of them. This is one, and then this is the second transformer. This is your handle, and then this is your 16 mm cable, and then this is 4 mm wire. This one is the connecting one. You find an adapter here. Yeah, this adapter is the one that will be used for this fan. These are 12 volts fans, okay? There are 2 of them, 12 volts fans. They will need an adapter that will convert them to AC to power from within. And then these are connecting wires. This is your clamp. This is your indicator, okay? Light indicator. What you have here is your switch. What you have here are your connectors. We have the red and we have the black as well. And then what again do we have? Okay, we have these blue sellotapes, and then we also have these glasses, okay? Of course, you have to protect your eyes. The inflammation that are coming from here are not funny. And then also you have some electrodes here, about 5 pieces of electrode. Then you have a voltage controller. You have your pliers. What you have here are nuts, okay, or screws. Let me call them screws. And then so many other things that we are going to use while this process is going on. So just keep watching, and you're going to learn a lot on the procedures of doing this at home. You too can do them yourself. Trust me, you can. Oh yes. At the end of this video, you're going to see that it's a pretty simple procedure and well to do. Let's get started. Boom. The first thing we're going to do is to get this guy cut off. Now, this is a transformer comprising of 2 winding. The primary winding and the secondary winding, okay? The primary winding is where the input current comes in, while the secondary winding is where the output current goes out. You know, it either steps up or steps down. That is why it is called a transformer. So, but what we're going to do now is we're going to cut off this secondary winding. Of course, you got to be careful so that you don't affect the primary winding, okay? Any cut in the primary winding automatically damages this, and you have to get a new one, okay? Or you have to do a proper rewinding. So that's the first thing we're going to do, cut this off right away. This is billions of winding, bro. Look at it. This is a secondary winding, totally out already. Going to be discussed. So we have succeeded in achieving what we want. So what we need now is to, you see the hole, everything is neat from inside. So exactly what has happened here is what this one has to go through. So this is the first transformer. I've removed the secondary winding. So we're going to do this as well, but off camera to save time. So at this point, the two transformers have been freed. It's not quite easy. Yeah, it's not quite easy. You're going to sweat a little, okay? So these are the secondary windings for both transformers. You see how scattered they look like, but this is not necessary. The secondary windings are very tinier than the primary winding. And that tells you that there are more turns in the secondary than in the primary, okay? So that is that for this. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to remove the secondary winding. You see how it is. All right, that's beautiful. And then this is the second transformer. So the next thing I'm going to do is to clean up everything, remove this cable. I had to make sure that this cable don't get bad in the process of cutting them, because I will likely use them for the wiring process as well. So basically that is that for that. So the next stage is cleaning up and beginning the winding process. Boom.